What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel Mga Bakukang. I got a new cooking vid for you guys. So our menu for today is tender boiled beef soup, and here are my ingredients: black pepper, salt, capsicum, onions, chili pepper, ginger, taro or gabi, Chinese pechay, beef stock, and beef itself. Let's go! First up, we need to saute some of the condiments such as onion, ginger, and black pepper. Just wait for a minute or two just to have that oozing aroma, and that will be perfect. Now you can add on the beef. As you can see, the beef is already tender, and I just want to have that bit of caramelization on the meat, and trust me, it will add up some flavor. Add up the capsicum, finally you can pour the beef stock and wait for about 10 minutes or more until it boils. Add up the taro or the gabi and the green chili, and let's cover it up and wait for a couple of minutes again, just to make sure that the gabi is cooked. Since the taro is already cooked, now you can finally put on the Chinese pechay, and make sure that the hardest part you put on first. Guys, you got the tender boiled beef soup a la JUSTAMIS. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, like, and share. Goodbye guys, see you in the next vlog.